welcome to Vachil Jewellery. I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on doing wire wrap rings using buttons. These are some that I've done before. I just love the texture of the buttons and they make each one so unique. So this is the button we're using today. We're using 0.8mm wire. And I cut around 14 inches in length. Now these are ideal pliers, what I call my straightening pliers. They're nylon jaw pliers and they're just fantastic for ironing out any creases. I'm just going to cut that little bit off the end there. Now once you've established, as you can see, this is quite well used, but once you've established what size you are, you're actually going to make it a size bigger, and that allows for the wire wrapping. So I'm going to actually make it a S to make it fit a size R. So first of all, on this type of button, you've got a loop at the back. So you find your centre point on there. Now this can be a little bit tricky in just securing it properly. So if you can see that okay. So just to show you around the back there, you have one underneath, one at the top. So you bring those round to the front. Try and best not for the wires to actually cross, so bring one down and one up. So try and hold it with your fingers there if you can, and what we're going to do is we're going to wind this, so we're actually creating this part at the back, and this is to actually secure it, because at the moment it's quite rocky. And you want to leave enough to make the shanks at the side of your ring. So that's where we're at the moment. So don't worry too much if it's not really forming the right shape, because what we will use is a hammer with a rubber end so that it doesn't mark our wire. So to make the shanks now, which is this part here, now this is the part that a lot of people find the most challenging, and it's getting the right tension for a neat finish. And as you can see, it's making sure these wires don't cross over. So I like to do about 3 turns on this. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Now always make sure that your wire ends up on the top, the loose edge. So just cut that off with your flat nose pliers. Just press that down and neaten that up a little bit, because you don't want anything digging into your fingers. So we'll do the other side now. So that's 1, 2 and 3. So again, with your side cutters, let's cut that off. So pop it back on the mandrel, and now we actually are going to secure the shape. And just go back and make sure you haven't got any sharp edges on there. And there you have your finished unique ring.